and I request you to stay with us for it because we would require you to speak on it. 9 Indian Air Force fighters, including the fighter pilots who targeted terrorist groups headquartered in Muridke and Bawalpur and Pakistan military assets in Operation Sindoor, have now been awarded the Veer Chakra, the third highest wartime gallantry medal. And this is the big breaking news coming in. The centre has announced the Operation Sindoor Gallantry Awards. 9 IAF officers, including fighter pilots who struck Pakistan's terror camps, have been awarded the Veer Chakra. This is fantastic news. I want to go back to Major General G.D. Bakshi. IAF officers involved in Operation Sindoor, sir, have been now given the Veer Chakra. This includes, and I'm going to name them, Group Captain Ranjit Singh Sidhu, Group Captain Manish Arora, Group Captain Animesh Patni, Group Captain Kunal Kalra, Wing Commander Joy Chandra, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Siddhant Singh, Squadron Leader Rizwan Malik, and Flight Lieutenant Arshveer Singh Thakur. Major General G.D. Bakshi, this is a moment of pride for us, the Veer Chakra for our brave hearts.
I am so delighted. My felicitations, my heartfelt congratulations to each of these award winners. They have deserved this and they deserve more. They are super boys. Our sky warriors, our air warriors have done the nation proud. They have reduced Pakistan to air bases to rubble. They have reduced the Pakistani terror infrastructure to rubble. And the nation owes them a debt of gratitude. They have made us all so proud. And I'm so happy to hear this wonderful news on the occasion, on the eve of the Independence Day. I am so delighted. I'm sure there will be more. And I would even look forward to a new Marshal of the Air Force, actually.
Yes, sir. And
why not?
And sir, this is also very, very important. This is very poignant to remember. As the MEA tries to think, as the MEA warns Pakistan of misadventures, we are honoring our brave hearts who targeted the headquarters of terror in Muridke and Bawalpur and Pakistan military assets.
Absolutely. You know, what the world has realized with a shock is the level of technological achievement of India. We have created an integrated air defense network, layered defense network, as potent as the Iron Dome of Israel, if not more. 100% of the Pakistani drones, the Pakistani missiles fired were shot down. That is, one Shaheen, 2 Fatehs, all 3 shot down, 100% kill rate. 90% kill rate for drones, which is amazing. And then our Air Force, with its beyond visual range missiles, with its standoff cruise missiles, BrahMos and Spice, look at the damage they have inflicted on the Pakistani Air Force. It's not we saying it, it's not Indians saying it. Listen to Tom Cooper. Listen to Colonel John of the West Point. Listen to Dr. Walter Ladwig of the Royal United Services Institution. They are saying India won a decisive victory.
Yes.
It achieved more than it aimed.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
It restored
and sir, we remember those days of the operation when we were with you, and we remember how we had won. We remember those days when we were triumphant, and those days when we were talking about how the terror spots had been hit. Major General G.D. Bakshi, I thank you for being with us. I also want to go across who's joining us on the phone line. We're also getting other guests to speak on this fantastic news. Retired Air Marshal Sanjeev Kapoor also joining us on the phone line on this wonderful news. 9 Indian Air Force officers, sir, getting the Veer Chakra, and this is for their targeting of terror group headquarters in Muridke, Bawalpur, Pakistan military assets in Operation Sindoor. This is the most wonderful news that can come. Our hearts swell with pride at this wonderful honor, sir, for our brave hearts.
Yes, absolutely. And not only is it a good news for the people in uniform, it is a wonderful news for all the aspiring young boys and girls across the country to see how valor is recognized by the services and the nation.
And, sir, I also want to name the 9 IF pilots who've got these gallantry awards, the heroes who blew up the terror dens. I want to name them, and then I want to ask you the significance, sir, of Murid Ke Bhavalpur. Please stay with us. I'm going to name them. Group Captain Ranjit Singh Sidhu, Group Captain Manish Arora, Group Captain Animesh Patni, Group Captain Kunal Kalra, Wing Commander Joy Chandra, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Siddhant Singh, Squadron Leader Rizwan Malik, and Flight Lieutenant Arshveer Singh Thakur. All 9 of them get the Veer Chakra. Sir, if you could explain the significance of those impactful days and targeting the terror headquarters in Murid Ke and Bhavalpur, and how we smashed Pakistan's backbone and their military assets.
Yeah, I recall I was in the studios at 2:30 a.m. with Arnab that morning when the hostilities began on the 7th of May, early morning. And I had mentioned then also, and I'll repeat for the benefit of your viewers today again, that it is the first time after 1971 war that the Indian aeroplanes crossed the border and struck Pakistani Punjab. The Pakistani Punjab, both Murid Ke and Bhavalpur and Pakistani Punjab. So the narrative that has been going around in their circles and in their country and to all the terrorist organizations that nothing can happen to them, that they are so well protected from here. When we took out precise, target hitting through the center of the dome, if the pictures have been circulating all around, the whole world has been shaken up. And rightly so, these pilots who are getting recognized for this fine job they did in the wee hours of 7 midnight to get us this, global recognition. And for lifelong, as long as they live, these Veer Chakra will adorn the uniform when they're serving, and against their name as long as they live. Their families, their friends, their relatives, all the known people to them will be so elated and proud. And of course, their families who have stood by them. And these young boys and officers who have taken part in this operation would be the role model for the next generation when they narrate their stories to the young budding pilots.
Absolutely. And sir, even as this message is coming out, it's being said, like you said, these officers are being recognized for their exceptional courage, their precision, their strategic acumen during the operation. Thank you for joining us. I'm also joined by my colleague Ishan, who's joining us on this. Ishan, those days of Operation Sindoor, and we all get goosebumps thinking about those moments when these people had brought us glory, these soldiers, our brave hearts, these successful strikes. The Indian Air Force had shot down at least 6 Pakistani aircrafts, underscoring the effectiveness and the success of Operation Sindoor.
The 9 awardees from the Air Force were the pilots who flew during the Bahawalpur and the Murid Ke operations. They used the Rafale aircraft to target the terror camps, and their bravery is being honored by providing them with the Veer Chakra medal. This signifies a major boost to the morale of the forces. With me is Shravan Sen. He will be giving us more details.
Well, in fact, the big news point here is that the Sarvottam Seva medal, which is now being given to 2 senior army officers, in itself is an indication of the success, the military exercise success that we have witnessed in Operation Sindoor. Now, as far as the medal is concerned, important to point out here that from its inception, this is perhaps the 3rd time that you're looking at this medal being given to the 2 senior-most officers in the Indian Army. Now, as far as the other medals are concerned, which have been given to the Air Force as well as Navy, important to point out here is that those who have participated in the Operation Sindoor, particularly from the Indian Air Force, have been, they have been acknowledged. And the very fact that you're looking at specific precision strikes that were basically carried out by the Indian Air Force. Remember, it has been one of the most challenging exercises that have been carried out by the Indian Air Force. From within the Indian border, we have had precision strikes that have been carried out. One of the longest kill that we have actually seen using the surface-to-air missile, also seen during the Operation Sindoor. All of it has now been carried out by the tri-services. And that in itself, remember, the fact that now you have the gallantry awards being given to them is a recognition of the contribution that has been made by the armed forces. And I'm going to also put out the breakup right now that we have just got from our sources. In fact, the names would be out officially around 7 o'clock this evening. But this is the breakup that we have just got from the Air Force. I'll just quickly take you through the details that we have, and also take you through the numbers that have been put out with regards to how they have been acknowledged. Important to point out here is with regards to the Sarvottam Yudh Sena medal which has been given. As I've been pointing out, that this is only the third time. You have from the Northern Command, that's General Prateek Sharma, that's the Northern Corps Commander. Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, he was the DGMO. He's currently the Deputy Chief Strategy, who has been also accorded with the Sarvottam Yudh Sena Medal. Vice Admiral Sanjay Jasjit Singh, he's from the Western Naval Command, and Air Marshal Narmadeshwar Tiwari and Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor and Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra and Air Marshal A.K. Bharti, they have been also given the Gallantry Award.
Fantastic. Shravan and Ishan, thank you for bringing us those details. And this is a fantastic moment where the 9 IF officers, including the fighter pilots who stuck Pakistan's terror